how to delete Upwork account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to log into your Upwork account. In order to do so, open up any web browser that you prefer and type in upwork.com on your search URL. Then make sure you are logged into your account. Here I have already logged into my account. Now, once you land on this interface, head over to your profile icon from the upper right corner and click on your profile icon. Now from this drop down menu, go to close settings option. Now you have to provide the reason why are you closing your account. So select your reason, then click on close account. And as you do that, your account will be deleted and you will be again directed back to login page. And that's how you delete Upwork account. I hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.